So we learned how to solve the first kind of force problems when we just have mass and acceleration. However, sometimes it's not that simple. Sometimes, and so let's just review the formula first. The formula is force equals mass times acceleration. But this time they give you right here in 500 kilograms, that's the mass. They give us the mass, and then they give us right here 1,000 newtons, but that is the force. And they're asking us to find the acceleration. So in this case, we take the force. We know that the force is 5,000 kilograms. So for F, we put in the force, newtons right here. If you look right here, newtons. If you ever see an N after something, that means it's force. So we're going to put that in for F. 1,000 N, because that's the force. It equals the mass, which is, as we see up here, anytime you have kg, you know it's the mass. So it's going to be 5,000 kg. And the thing that we don't know, however, is the A. So we have to leave that. So we're going to be solving for that. So we're just going to put that in as A. So that's parenthesis, parenthesis A, because we're solving for acceleration. Now we just put this into a regular algebra problem. So let's get rid of all of the variables just to make it easier on ourselves. We have 1,000 equals 5,000, and we're going to get rid of the variable and just put in A, 5,000A. So whenever you have a variable, you want to get it by itself. And in order to do that, you divide by 5,000, divide by 5,000. So A is going to equal 1,000 divided by 5,000. So let's get out the calculator, because that's probably going to be the easiest way to solve this problem. And let's solve it. So we're going to do 1,000 divided by 5,000, and it equals 0.2. So in the answer here, we are going to write that the answer is 0.2, and the units for acceleration are meters per second squared, and that is the answer. So just to review, whenever you are solving for acceleration, you figure out the force and you figure out the mass, and then you divide by the mass to figure out the force. And that is how you solve it when they don't just give you mass and acceleration.